Today I'm going to do a small unboxing of the parcel arrived from Japan. I purchased some tools for painting. Here we got ink brush, watercolor notebook, and a watercolor set. You can produce smooth lines of different thickness for about $2. The notebook costs about $3 only. It's nice to the touch and has 24 pages. The watercolors came with a gift by surprise because it wasn't indicated. It made me happy. Cotman watercolor paper cards came in 3 types: rough, smooth, and medium, so you can try it out and get the album similar to the one I got, but for maybe about $5. The watercolors, I love them because all essential colors are here. It's a good value product. As it is a sketching set, it includes pencil, brush, and eraser, making it an all-in portable set. While I was searching for a suitable set, there were discrepancies with the original sets. 24 Colors had a blue metal plate on its cover lid, and 14 Color set had a different color scheme compared to the original, like lack of black and red colors, which are a must. The manual shows you some watercolor techniques and the color chart for all colors. The box is a bit flimsy and pans and colors fall off as these don't fit well. But we value the colors. It was about $28 there. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Bye!